How to convert image into PDF file. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your file where you have stored the images. So first of all, put all of your images in a folder in sequence. You might have to rename them so they get sorted the way you want to appear in the PDF file. The next step is to select all the images and then click Share tab and then click on Print button. Now select Microsoft Print to PDF from the list of available printers. Use the right and left arrow button to scroll through the images that will be added to your PDF file. Click the options link in the lower right corner of the dialog box to access additional options for the PDF file. Now the next step is to click the printer properties link and then select whether you want the document to be landscape or portrait. Now click on OK button. You are returned to Print Pictures dialog box. Make sure Fit Picture to Frame checkbox is checked. Click Print to create your PDF file, then save the PDF file. So now your images will be converted into PDF file. Likewise, you can convert any of the images into the PDF file and you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can convert images into PDF file. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.